basic principles. Today our world is changing and subject to much more integration in all spheres of our life. And not political or economical, but to great extent linguistic problems could put extensive barriers on the way of international business. This is mainly in relation to the huge amount of documentation accompanying every sophisticated export product, and Technotrans is a tool to break such barriers. Technotrans TT is a company owned and managed by professional engineers and linguists with many years of translating experience. It is based in Severodvinsk, northwest Russia, near Archangel, together with the major Russian defense naval manufacturing facilities that have built most of the Russian submarine fleet. These companies are currently under conversion to building offshore oil and gas drilling and production platforms for the Russian Arctic seas. Most of the TT personnel have previously worked for these naval dockyards, translating highly critical technical information on nuclear submarines, and subsequently on offshore platforms, which allowed no margin for error. So you can have confidence that people at TT understand what is involved in delivering the top-notch quality services you need. TT Elite Translators now deliver more than 1,000 translated pages a week to its clients. A strict quality control process and proprietary databases and reference materials ensure quick turnaround without sacrificing quality. TT has the corporate experience, the staff and the technical resources to deliver a quality product. We specialize in both naval and civil shipbuilding, machine building, oil and gas fabrication, field construction and petrochemical industry, etc. TT is well known in Severodvinsk and Archangel region industrial community for the exceptional products we deliver and our understanding of the subject matter. People. The translation department at TT consists of nearly 30 full-time translators working mainly between Russian English and also German, French and Norwegian languages. In addition to in-house translators, we have a pool of more than 60 freelance translators to draw from in case you really have an emergency translation project. This makes us flexible enough to react quickly to your needs. All holders of university degrees in translation, linguistics and engineering. Our translators have been rigorously selected and evaluated by TT. Our intention is to maintain high percent of engineering personnel knowing foreign languages, thus allowing full understanding of the technical issues raised in translated documentation. Currently, our translators pool consists of 65% graduated linguists and 35% of graduated engineers. We also try to be flexible in our approach and understanding of the client's requirements for each new project. These reflexes are developed and sharpened through our mentoring system, where graduate translators are trained and monitored constantly by experienced senior translators. Our bilingual project managers have language backgrounds. They are dedicated to your project to oversee its every aspect and are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. They can help to anticipate and avert potential problems with a project, terminology questions, software conflicts, and cultural misunderstandings. It is their responsibility to provide an unsurpassed level of quality, stay on budget, and meet exacting deadlines. Translations at TT are edited by technically qualified and experienced specialists, possessing expertise in a subject area and knowledge of a target audience. They are also proofread at several stages to ensure accuracy, clarity, and to avoid inadvertent cultural or political insensitivities. Technology. Translators at TT perform their work using computer hardware equipped with state-of-the-art software, including their own one adapted for the actual project management. TT possesses the most advantageous translation memory system, Transit, and Trados. Differing in operation modes, those systems have similar key features: terminology unification to single terminology management system, possibility to remember the translated text passed via the system, possibility of search for the identical text being previously translated, thus allowing to avoid dispersion of like or similar sentences translation. Both systems could exchange their databases. As a more powerful tool, TT started to apply a machine translation system, Prompt, that is linked with Trados software. Such linguistically proven integrated system allows for quick translation of large text, having translator as operator and editor. All mentioned systems are integrated by TT using own software, Documentation Management System, DMS. This facilitates the strict accounting, allocation, distribution and delivery of every document ever entered our facilities simultaneously with all above systems control and monitoring. Such powerful integrated tool provides for error-free translation and tracking of documentation with automatic packaging and offloading of deliverables. So, Transit plus Trados plus Prompt multiplied by Technotrans DMS multiplied by qualified and responsible personnel equals quality, reliability and accuracy. TT Quality Management System is briefly shown below. Incoming check, online advice and double check of the completed document guarantee high translation quality. Our CALS-based DMS allows monitoring of any document at each processing stage, allocation of electronic files, accounting of working data and prompt response for the client's needs and comments. TT operates with the following types of electronic documents: Microsoft family, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, front page, Access, Project, Other, Visio, AutoCAD, Compass, PDF, Adobe FrameMaker, HTML, RTF, PageMaker, QuarkXpress, WorldPerfect, XGate, raster images, TIFF, GPG, etc. Paper copies could be processed also depending on their quality.